Truly Sarawak, made at home.
Ingredients required include the Kolo Mee noodles, char siu, minced pork, baby kale and spring onions, shallots, and other ingredients that will be shared while we make it.
The first step is to marinate the meat. I have here with me 350 grams of minced meat. So we shall start the marinating by adding some sesame oil. Just half a tablespoon will do. Next comes the light sauce. Also half a teaspoon. Then comes the thick sauce. This one just a quarter. We don't want it too dark. Oyster sauce. So you can take about 1 tablespoon. And cooking wine. About 3/4 tablespoon. Then we add in our salt. Just a little bit. And pepper. About quarter tablespoon. Then we shall mix them all together. You can use your fingers, but I prefer using the spoon. Okay, so we have mixed it well. Next step will be frying the onions. So put in some oil. Let it get hot. Okay, the oil is hot, so we are putting in the shallot. After almost 10 minutes, it has turned to brownish, so we shall take it out and switch off the fire. We shall strain it. We shall strain it and keep the oil. We'll now be frying the minced meat using the shallot oil. The oil is hot now, so we can put in the minced meat to fry. The meat is cooked, already cooked, so we can take it out now. I'll switch off the fire and we can just put it onto a plate. I have some bok choy here. We shall blanch them. Don't overcook it. Just blanch it for a while. I'm taking it out now. We'll now be doing the sauce for the noodles. Half a teaspoon of fish sauce. One teaspoon of light sauce and oyster sauce, also the same amount. This should be one, and we mix it up. This is for one portion of the noodle. I bought ready-made char siu, so now I'm now going and slicing them into thin strips. I have here a pot of boiling water. I'll take the noodles now and cook them in this boiling water. To my right, I have a basin of cold water which I will put the noodles inside. The noodles are already cooked, so we shall take them out and submerge them in cold water. Basin of cold water and put them back again. After I've taken them out from the hot water, we'll put it straight into the sauce that we have prepared.
So we'll just mix the sauce that was made earlier with the noodles. So once it's mixed, we can then add in our char siu firstly. Next, we'll add in our vegetables.
Some minced meat here, some onions, and finally the spring onions.
And this right here is Kolo Mee Sarawak, made at home.